Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea, and in today's video I want to share with you my very first big camera backpack. So now that I have two cameras and more lenses and more camera gear, I want to put everything in one bag and carry that one bag with me, of course, when I travel, hopefully in the future. If I want to go outside to take some photos, I will of course take one of my smaller bags because I won't be using both of my cameras probably, or anyways I won't need lots of camera gear. But yes, I thought that for traveling or for like longer trips, or maybe I don't even have to travel, but I have to go outside and film and also take a lot of different pictures, or I don't know, whatever. I was searching for camera backpacks because I really wanted a backpack, and I wanted one that opened like this. So it totally opened, not just the sides of the backpack. So I was searching and I honestly didn't find what I had in mind, and I thought I would give a shot on AliExpress as well. It was tricky because I wanted a cheaper backpack because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a backpack yet, and I also wanted one that it was a really good, a pretty good quality and a nice design. Actually, I came across this backpack, which I really like. It's big enough for me. It's pretty heavy right now because I have all my stuff in here, and I will show you how I organized everything in a second. But it's waterproof and I really like the design. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I can't wait to go somewhere and take this with me. I like it so far. And it was, let me check, it was $30. $30, which is pretty cheap. Okay, so without any further ado, let me show you what's inside. Alright, so here is the bag. It opens up like this. So this is how I organized my stuff here. I wanted my two cameras to be next to each other. So here is my DSLR, my Canon EOS 600D, and I have the 50mm lens on it, and I will keep it here. And even though it's kind of annoying to have the strap on it, but you never know when you have to use your camera quickly, and I don't want to spend so much time taking off or putting back the strap, so it has space there, so it's fine. And here I will have my EOS M100, which I'm filming with right now, and on it I would have the 18 to 55mm lens. And this is what I love about this camera, because it's so compact. It really fits in this space. I love it. So on this part I have my bigger lenses. I have this 10 to 18mm lens, and underneath I have the chargers. On this side I have the charger for my mirrorless camera. I figured this would be a good space, a good spot to keep the chargers. And I have my biggest lens. This is the Tamron, a 70 to 300mm lens. It's a telemacro lens. It was pretty cheap, but I think it's pretty good. So for its price, it's amazing. I don't really have the budget to buy super expensive lenses, so it's good for now. And underneath I have the charger for my DSLR. Also, let me know, where do you keep your chargers? Seriously, I want to know. And if you have any suggestions, how should I organize my stuff in here, please let me know in the comments below. I would really appreciate it if you would change anything. So here I have my kit lens, which is pretty small. And here I have my caps. And as you can see, I taped them, the front part and the bottom part, so I don't lose them. And I also write on each one. So this is the body cap, this is for the 55mm, so I know, and I don't spend extra time searching for the right lens, the right cap, sorry, if I need one of them. So it goes here, and I want to actually keep my GoPro here, but I'm not totally sure about this. So I have my GoPro in here. Yeah, I really am not 100% sure I will keep it here. Maybe I could keep it here. Yeah, I think this would be a better spot. Underneath I have my selfie stick, I have this adapter, phone adapter for the tripod. I have a really small, mini tripod, and I have the Joby Gorilla Pod. It's a smaller version. Also my gimbal. I hate it because this front part, it takes up so much space, but this is the only way I could fit it in. So I figured I would keep all my smaller tripods in here in the middle section. All right, and it also has this part where I keep these windjammers. And I have a UV filter for my 50mm lens. And I also have a pen with some tape on it, as you can see. You never know when you need some tape. Okay, now here are two compartments separated. So here I keep smaller stuff. Maybe I will put my mic here. I don't have anything in here, but I figured I would put my batteries or SD cards. So just smaller parts. Plus I have all these extra GoPro accessories. Yeah, and I don't think they would fit here. I think I should get a mesh bag and try to figure something out. Let me know, how would you do it? All right. Now on this side you also have a small pocket here and here, and also here you can use your headphones or your charger. And on the back you have a secret compartment right here. Currently this is where I keep this rain cover, which came with the bag. the bag itself should be water resistant, but they also included that cover. And this is the part where you can keep your tripod, and I will show you in a second. But we have one more compartment, and this is for your laptop. So you can fit in here your laptop. It's pretty big, it's pretty cool. I really like it. And now I will show you how you can fit your tripod in here. Alright, so about my tripod, I have two tripods about the same size, so like this big. They're pretty lightweight, actually very lightweight. So here is my, I will try to balance it on my knee. Okay, so I can only fit it if I insert just two legs of the tripod. Hope you can see it. I'm struggling with the balance right here. And, oh, sorry. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, okay. And it also has two stripes here, so you can secure it. I think it's enough with one. And there we go. It's pretty secure. And actually it's not that heavy once you put it on your back. And it's really comfortable. I still have to adjust this strap because it's loose. This one is perfect. So yeah, this is how it looks. And right here I could put in a smaller water bottle, or maybe some of my GoPro accessories that I use more often. I will figure it out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think. I will leave a link for this bag in the description box if you are interested in buying a cheaper bag. And let me know in the comments below what would you change inside the bag, how would you organize it, if you would change something. Please, I want to know. If you have any advice, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to hit that like button, share this video with someone who is in search of a cheap but good camera backpack. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends there, and I will see you very soon. Bye!